In today's video, I'll show you how to create a spooky opening where the video is pulled down into view, giving your intro a creepy and dramatic feel. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is already placed on the timeline. Since this is an opening effect, it should be applied right at the beginning of the clip. Now tap on the video clip to select it. Once selected, go to the bottom toolbar and tap on Animation to access the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start, which is exactly where this pull-down reveal is designed to work. Scroll through the list of animations until you find Skeleton Pull-Down, then tap on it to apply the effect. As soon as it's applied, you'll see the clip being pulled downward into view, creating a spooky and unsettling introduction that works perfectly for horror-style edits. To control how this animation feels, use the duration slider at the bottom. Dragging it to the left makes the pull down faster and more aggressive. Dragging it to the right slows the movement, adding more suspense and tension. Preview the animation a few times and adjust the duration until the timing feels right with your footage, and that's it. You've successfully added a spooky pull down reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.